going to represent the following rational numbers on the number line. So we've been doing this since chapter 1. First thing you have to look at is whether the number is positive or negative. As you can see, minus is there. That means it is a negative number. That means which means that on the number line it will be on the left side. Once you're done with that, look at the denominator. You can see 3, right? That means it has to be divided into 3 equal parts. So let me show us here. So this is 0. We'll not be doing on the positive side, alright? Then let's say this is our minus 1. Now from 0 to minus 1, divide it into 3 equal parts, because you can see the denominator is 3, right? So 1, 2. And also remember that it has to be equal spaces, alright? So I divide it in 3 equal parts. This is the first part, this is the second part, and this is the third part. So 0, then this should be minus 1 by 3, this will be minus 2 by 3, and this will be minus 1, alright? So where does minus 2 by 3 lie? It lies here, right? So just make the pointer in here. I wrote here minus 1 because remember, if I write this as minus 3 by 3, I can always divide it, right? 3 ones are, 3 ones are, and I'll be left with minus 1. Okay, so this will be your actual answer, right? So 0 is there, then I've divided in 3 equal parts, 1 part, 2 part, and 3 parts. So 0 to minus 1, 3 equal parts. The first is minus 1 by 3, then minus 2 by 3. Answer question is minus 2 by 3, right? That means I know that it will lie here. This will be our answer. Let's do one more. Now if you look here, the difference between the first and the second is, first thing, this is a positive number, but you will notice that here the numerator 11 is bigger, right? If you look at the first question, you can see that here in this minus 2 by 3, the denominator 3 is bigger, alright? So what happens when the numerator is larger? You first have to divide it, okay? So if I divide it, then 2, 11, 2 5s are 10, then I'll be left with 1. So you have to write this in clockwise, so it'll come like this, right? Which means 5 1 by 2, as you can see here. So remember, this 5 1 by 2 is the same thing with 5 plus 1 by 2, 5 plus half, 5 plus 1 by 2, alright? So once again, draw a number line, and now you can see the number is positive, so it'll be on your right hand side. So 0, then 1 2 3 4 5, and then let's say this is 6. Remember, equal parts, alright? So this is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So if you can see here, till 5 is here, right? Till 5 will be here, but you can see half is there. That means if you look at the denominator 2, right, I'll divide this 5 to 6 into 2 equal parts. That means exactly here at half. This will be my 5 and half. So my answer should be here. Now if you look here, this is how we'll be doing. So till 5 is fine, then half should be here, right? So our answer is this 5 1 by 2. This will be our answer.